All right, players, we're done. Check it. This is what it sounds like. We did this so quick that my whole car changed. It's an Acura now. It's not even an Infinity. I'm just playing, but that's my uncle's Acura. That shit sounds nice. Hopefully mine sounds like that. I have a dual intake, so hopefully it sounds even better. Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, then please subscribe so you can stay tuned to Project Gigi and anything I do on this page. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe too. Thank you. So let's get straight into this video. Check this out. I'm excited. Can you hear that? Those are the piping for my cold air intake. Check it out. I went with Stillen Gen 3 because that's a known brand and a known intake for the VQ engines. I'm gonna try to make this real quick and simple. I'm gonna do a couple cold starts, not a couple, just one cold start with my stock intake, and then after that I'm gonna rev it a couple times, and then I will show myself unboxing this, installing it, all that jazz. But before I do all this, well, so I'm gonna go meet up with my cousin right now. We're gonna run it a couple times because I finally have my catback installed, and I want to see if the catback helped. And then after the installation of this, we're gonna run it again to see if the catback and the intake help. This should give me 17.5 horsepower and 13 pounds-foot of torque. I don't know if that's true, but that's what they say. And that's additional numbers without a fucking tune. So hopefully after the tune, it gives me a little more, maybe like 2-3 more on each side. But I don't know, you never know. Maybe that's a cap right there, but 17 and 13, that's pretty good for me. But my cousin and I, we're gonna run it real quick, and after we run it, well, I'll just show the video of everything. Stay tuned. Peace. All right, what's up everybody? As you guys can tell, I almost had him. I'm just playing. He misshifted a couple times, but my excuse is that my intake was in the car, so that was like another 40 pounds. So that's like a whole new baby in there, like 4 babies maybe. But right now we're about to do the intake. After that, we're gonna run it again. Hopefully the results are different. Like I said, 17 horsepower to the wheel, maybe, I think, or just to the crank, and then 13 pounds of boost. Let's do this.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yep. Oh, check this one out. Oh, we got more. That ain't it.
True.
Let's go. Journey starts now. I'm about to unbox everything, and then we'll go from here. Peace. Okay, check it. This is everything. This is only 2.5. I don't know why everything I get is always 2.5. I need a 3 or 3.5.
Yeah.
Looks pretty nice. Stainless steel. I think it's aluminum. It's pretty light. We'll find out the weight compared to the other ones later. Yeah, I think this is a heat show, but I don't know. Filters look pretty good. I don't know much about these, but they're K&N. They should be K&N. These are dry. I think they're oil coated. Can't feel it. Pretty colors, pretty colors. Yo, what's up everybody? So I got the stock intakes off now. Let me show you something. I think this is one of the reasons why I lost the race. My stock intake, the tubing is ripped. I don't know how that happened. That's a loss of 40 horsepower. I'm just kidding. It's at the throttle body, so I don't think any air was leaking, or else my check engine lights would have came on. About to install the intakes now. What's up people, here's an update. So we got the upper part of the intake in, the tubing. Well, but there was a problem because I didn't realize the tubings are shaped different. I don't know if that's how it is, I can't remember now, but it's easy now. We're done. Now we just gotta get the second tubing where it connects to the filter up in the front. The problem with this is that the hole that it passes through is only about 2 inch and the piping is about 2.5, so I need to cut the little plastic piece. Let me show you what that is. This little hole right here, it's too small, so I need to cut this right here. So I just need to cut one side right here. I've seen videos of the G's and Z's being cut too, so I think it's correct. If it's not, then damn, this sucks. We'll find out. Let's go. Look at this little spoolie boy. I got 2 of them. Let's go. Let me show what you guys I'm talking about. This shit is hard.
Wait, record for me?
Oh damn, dude.
Yeah, no, record for me.
I was like, damn, what? Oh, look at him. What's he doing? Baby strokes. He knows it.
Alright, cool. Yeah, this one's pretty short, so.
What's up? So, I finally got this thing open, so it's easy now. We'll get a little closer here. So we just cut it like this. That might be a little too much, but who cares, you know? It's my car, I don't care. Now it's pretty easy, just gotta go straight through. There we go. It's gonna sit like that. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now.
Cut.
Filter's gonna come up here. So I'm gonna cut. So that's where the filter's gonna go. Somewhere right there. All right, what's up everybody? Quick update, we're finally done tying everything. So I'm just gonna give it a small walk around, then we're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, what's up everybody? Everything is done now, so this is gonna be a cold start, and then I'm gonna get a couple revs in and see what it sounds like. Let's go.